Oy, Ma'am Eva, hello.
Hi,
Congratulations.
Ma'am Eva. Congratulations.
And, according sa news, buntis ka daw. Tama ba? Joke
May
lang,
matres
well.
ka daw.
Yun nga,
Wala.
sabi nga yan. Actually, yun, message. Congratulations. Eh, manganganak ka na. Following months, I guess. Yun. So,
Magiging
congratulations.
mommy ka
Magiging
na.
mother ka na. And nakalain mo, buntis ka pala. Unfortunately, joke lang. buntis
Nahiram
ka
kami
pala.
ng matres mo,
Nga
Ma'am
eh.
Eva.
Buti ka pa napatunayan mo na babae ka talaga. Kasi may matres ka and existing siya, gumagana. Good for you. Pag nanganak ka, yun,
Pahiram kami.
pahiram sa amin.
Ako yung una.
Siya muna, next
siya.
ako. Sang mo sa amin kahit magkano, okay lang. Ito yung message namin sa'yo.
Wishing you
Forward time.
nothing but joyous times with you and your baby po.
Correct. And we know naman na magiging, we know na you'll be a good and a wonderful mother to your child. And of course, si JV, yung cute na husband mo. And we know naman na he's been a good father to your child and a good husband also to you. And
Sana mag-bring ng happy memories yung baby nyo sa inyong dalawa ng asawa mo.
of course, yun. And yun, again, congratulations. We hope for your safe delivery. And gumawa kami ng banner for you. And ito na siya. Basahin mo na lang. And tama ba siya? Ayan, yan. Ma'am Eva, hello. Congratulations. Ayan. Your baby will bring you lots of joy. Of course, syempre, first baby yan di ba?
Tapos ito pa.
Yan po, the best. Oh.
We wish you all the best. We are so happy for you, Ma'am
Of course,
Eva.
we're so happy for you. Sobra. Kasi after nyan, next naman kami, di ba?
Kami naman yung i-greet mo ng pang-baby shower, di ba?
Pauna kami ni Sarah, next sa'yo. Sino mauna sa amin mga buntis? Ayan,
Salamat
congratulations
po.
ulit.
Bye-bye
Thank
po,
you,
Ma'am.
bye-bye.